Okay, this box looks like it's got an amazing drone in it, but it might be the worst drone that I've ever seen, ever. And so I'm gonna review it so that you can, see how awful it is. Okay, so I got home a couple of days ago and there was a package that arrived and I opened it up and it was this drone and I didn't order it. And so I asked Amy, like, did you order a drone? Which was confusing because she's not into drone type stuff, tech stuff, geek stuff. And she says, yeah, I've always wanted to fly a drone, and so I bought this one. It was a great deal on Whatnot, and I bought it for $30, and I was confused because I have a nice DJI drone that she's never been interested in flying, but whatever. So that's how I ended up with this. So I opened up the box and I went through it, and I'm looking at the bits and stuff right here. Let me flip the camera around and we're gonna take a look at what's in here, what came with it, and then we're gonna do a couple of flights with this thing and you'll see just how bad it is. All right, so first off, this is the drone. It's pretty small. I guess on the plus side, it's well under the FAA's limits for weight. So I guess you don't need a license to fly this one. So there's a benefit. The battery pack, and I guess this is also kind of convenient. This is the battery pack. It uses somewhere in here, there's a little micro USB port here where you can plug it in and charge it and just slide it back there. So that's it. And then here's the controller, which is equally light. It takes 4 AA batteries, a little battery pack here, and that's it. And I guess, I don't know what the point of these antennas are because they're just plastic. There is a spot here for you to pull to hold your cell phone. However, it doesn't work. It pulls out, like when I pull it out and put my phone in here, at least, it barely fits. My phone inevitably pops out like less than a second later. I have not been able to get it to hold my phone in. It also came with a couple of sets of instructions. So there's the instructions manual here, which is not great. And there is a QR code here where you can install their app, which is in the App Store for iPhone and Android and other devices. So you can install their app, and that's how you control the video. I haven't actually figured out how to do that. We're gonna try and figure out how to do that today. And then we're gonna take a look and see how 4K this video is. And then in the box, there's a couple of accessories. I think these are supposed to be like blade guards. I just didn't bother figuring out how to attach them. You can see this one's pretty misshapen anyway. And then there's some extra blades, and then there's a screwdriver. I'm pretty sure you need a screwdriver to attach and reattach the blades on there. So this is everything, including my phone. We're gonna take a quick quick sample flight here. So first we'll just so you can see how badly it flies, we're gonna fly indoors first. So we're gonna just do a quick little flight indoors and you'll see how badly this guy drifts around. That didn't last long. All right, so it's drifting. I can't. Let's see, I'm gonna try and put the controls in front here so you can see everything. Let's bring it down. Oh, you can see I'm not actually doing anything, and then it starts to drift again. And then it's drifting. Now there's supposed to be this trim button here. This trim button should stop it from drifting. Now it's drifting too far the other way. Now it's drifting forward. Oh, let's get out of the way. We're gonna hit the bar. Let's come back. I can't get it to not drift. no matter what I'm doing, it's drifting somewhere. It's drifting forward. All right, maybe we're close to even. Let's go almost forward. Nope. Nope. So it's really hard to control. Let's land it. All right, we'll go ahead and we'll do some stuff outside. Before we do any more tests, I'm gonna connect it up to my phone. I wanna see if I can get it to record some video so that I can get video off of it, and we can do that, because I'm just worried that right now I'm gonna fly it somewhere and it's gonna crash and it's gonna break, because it's really hard to control this guy. Okay, so the connection process is pretty simple. I did this once. We're gonna connect to its Wi-Fi signal here. We're gonna try and connect to its Wi-Fi signal here. There we go. And yeah, I know there's no internet. And then let's see, we got an app here. All right, so we got our app, the RC UFO, and we'll connect it here. And we can just click start, and you can see our not quite 4K video showing up on the screen here. So let's see if we, okay. I think that might be, I think it's actually recording. Okay, so again, I can't, I just hit a button. I don't know what I did. It's beeping at me. What? Okay, let's see if we can take off. Uh-oh, we gotta reset. Oh no, it's gonna have to turn off. All right, I'm gonna have to disconnect. Man, what's going on? All right, it's flashing. So I think we gotta reset everything here. Everything is connected again. Okay, so we're connected. I got a signal on the phone. You know what? We're gonna set the phone there. I don't know if that's gonna show up well at all. All right, we're gonna see if we can take off. All right. So I'm guessing, I mean, the signal on this guy can't be any more than Wi-Fi signal. Oh man, this is so hard to control. All right, part of me wants to go up over the house, but part of me is afraid that I'll have to then go up there and get it back. All right, no, go down. Oh, it's so hard to control. Oh, it's down. All right, hang on. We're gonna go get it back. Okay, this is what I was afraid of. It blew up when it crashed. I think it's okay. So the camera module came off. It looks like it just snaps back in though. So I think we're okay. I think we can do a little bit more. Oh wait, there we go. All right, we snapped it back together, and well, I'm not getting any signal on my phone anymore though. So hang on, let's see if we can. Okay, real quick before we progress, this is some video captured off the phone. It didn't actually record anything while it was flying, but I did get it actually recorded this right here. It comes in as 2048 by 1080, which is technically 2K, but this quality is so low. This is just absolutely awful video quality. You can't really do anything with this guy here. For this, you know what I think we should do? I think we should just, because I can't fly it that far, but we can do some other things here. Hang on a second. All right, here's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do to test the range on this, because I don't think I can fly it far enough to fly it out of range, because it's just gonna crash and then I'm gonna lose it. And I don't want to lose it yet, because I got more stuff I want to do with it. It is gonna break eventually. So I'm gonna take my phone, which is currently connected to it, and we're just gonna walk away. And oh my God, the quality of that video, I can see it on this phone. Look, I can see myself on this video, and this is like 480i quality, maybe. It's not. Oh, and it's already breaking up. Like the video is breaking up Oh, it's already super choppy. Like this isn't, I'm guessing as soon as I walk in front of the house, the house is gonna block it completely now. Oh, yeah, I lost the signal completely. All right, so let's just walk this back real quick. Let's see. I would say less than 100 feet. Maybe 120 feet, somewhere in that range. So this has got, I mean, at least if we're connecting it with a phone, the RC might go a little bit further, but you're looking at 100, I'm gonna say maximum 150 feet. Let's say I had a little bit of building in my way there, so it's gonna be a little bit less. So we're looking at 150 feet range. It's super cheap. I've crashed it every time I flew it across the yard. It's crashed. The video quality is just straight up awful. It's bad. So, and it says right on the box. Oh yeah, it says right on the box right here. It's upside down, but it says 4K right on it. It also said on the shipping label for this that it was $299 MSRP, and they were selling it as a great deal for $30. So I think that's a little bit wild. So do not buy this. If somebody's selling a deal that seems too good to be true on something like Whatnot, it is too good to be true. It is awful. I'm not it's almost hilarious how bad this thing is. So that's it. It's and I don't have I don't think I have a brand name for it. Oh, let's see here. This is I kind of think I like the brand name here. It's Drone Avoid Obstacles. It doesn't avoid obstacles at all. It can't. It's not 4K. It doesn't avoid obstacles. It crashes into everything and it just drifts around and it's hard to fly. It's maybe a fun toy for some kids, although honestly, it seems like it might be a little dangerous. I haven't let it hit me, but those blades are spinning pretty fast. And even with these little blade guards on it, let's say if I could figure out how to put the blade guard on it, I'm guessing it sits on here, something like this, and it probably just snaps on here like this. It's still gonna fly into, oh my God, the blade's gonna hit the blade guard if I do that. Yeah, it's no good. 100% no good, would not recommend. 10 out of 10, would not do again. Thanks for watching this weird review of a weird, crappy drone, and we will see you next time on something where we do something for real.